Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create custom QR code in Canva completely free. Whether you want to link to your website, Instagram, menu, or PDF, this is the easiest way to design and download beautiful QR codes with your branding. So, why use QR codes in 2025? QR codes are everywhere on business cards, packaging, flyers, restaurants menus, and even YouTube intros. They are quick, scannable, and can instantly send users to your website. Products are offered without typing a single word. And with Canva, you can not only generate a QR code but also customize its look to match your brand. Step 1. Head over to canva.com and log into your account. Free accounts work perfectly. Click on Create a Design or plus icon from the left sidebar and choose a format. You can start with Instagram post, flyer, or custom size. This gives you a canvas like that to place and design around your QR code. Now look to the left toolbar and click on Apps. Under Projects tab, in the search bar, type QR code and click the QR code app. A panel will appear. Click Open. Now enter your URL you want your code to. Enter the URL you want to your code to link to, for example, your Instagram website, YouTube, for Google Form or PDF links. So for this video, I will use my YouTube link like youtube.com. Copy the link and paste it here. Click Customize. You can set the background and foreground color, then margin. Foreground color red and click Generate Code. And Canva will place a scannable QR code right on your canvas in 1 second. Resize the QR code like that. Now for the font bar design. You can resize the QR code, move it, and place text like scan me above or below it. From the left sidebar, click text, then add a text box, drag it to here, and write scan me. Select all, then change the font style, horizon, and resize your font size like that. And change the font color like orange or pink or black. Add your logo, brand colors, and even add animated arrows or icons. If you are using a flyer or menu, make sure the QR code is large enough to scan from a distance. You can add your website name or YouTube name like that. Drag it under the QR code, then resize the text and drag it here. You can add color from here like that. That's good. Resize the text with your QR code. And that's it. You can also duplicate the design and change only the QR code to create multiple codes for different link. Like click the duplicate page and double click on it and paste your another link like instagram.com and paste it here. Change the color like black and click update code. Now enter your Instagram ID name like Insta ID. Once you are happy with your design, click the share button at the top right corner, then click download. Choose PNG or PDF if you are printing, and JPG if you are posting online. After downloading, you use your phone camera to scan the QR code and make sure it goes to the right place. No extra app needed. Most phones need read QR codes right from the camera. Here are a few quick ideas for using your QR code on business cards for instant contact links, on product packaging to show tutorials or reviews, inside emails or resumes for portfolio access, for event check-ins or special offers at both on or even as a YouTube end screen element. And don't forget, you can reuse the Canva template and update links anytime. So open your QR code on your phone and scan it like that. And that's how you create a free custom QR code in Canva. Super simple, totally free, and incredibly useful. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.